Good morning and welcome to Monday Morning Coffee. I got my big mug of coffee this morning. I hope you have your coffee too. I'm so proud of myself. I'm up and I'm actually getting videos out early today. Yay me. So I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. I had a very busy weekend, but a very productive weekend. I kind of unplugged Saturday and I crafted most all day long. And so I have videos for you this week, and I'm really excited about this week. Yesterday was kind of, it rained all day here, as if we didn't get enough water before, but it rained pretty much all day long. It's kind of iffy this morning about rain, but it's supposed to be partly cloudy, so hopefully the sun's going to come out and it's going to be nice. So, what is on the agenda this week? Well, I have quite a bit for you today. Well, first of all, you've already seen my morning devotional if you watch the devotionals, and then I have this video out for you today. Tomorrow, I have a little Dollar Tree haul for you, and I'm so excited because there's some new things on there that some things I have seen on another channel, but some things I have not seen anybody show them at all. So I'm hoping that you will enjoy tomorrow's Dollar Tree Tuesday because I found some really cool stuff. And then Wednesday, I have a little intro video coming out for another series that I'm starting on Thursday. So Thursday will be episode 1. Every year I do kind of like a grateful notebook in November, 30 days or 31 days of gratefulness, whatever. And so, you count your blessings and stuff. But what I decided to do this year, I am going to have a 30 days of gratefulness. And it's going to be incorporated into like just a fall little journal that I'm doing. And I want to get it started early this year. I don't want to wait until the last minute to make it. So you'll see the intro on Wednesday, and then you'll see the first episode on Thursday. That will also continue on Thursday night for Thursday Night Live. I'll be doing maybe a spread or two in the journal for Thursday Night Live at 7:15 Thursday night. So be watching for that. So, and then Friday, I'm not sure if I have anything Friday. If I have mail, if I have anything to share with you, I will. Club videos come out on Friday. So on my few little club members, you will have your video out on Friday, and the cards of the month will be coming out as well. So that's pretty much my week. It's I just feel so energized that I've got so much stuff done. Yeah, that's about it. I mean, I really don't have a whole lot. If you've not yet joined our Crafty Club, you should really do that for the month of November because I have some exciting videos coming out, and I have some really cool stuff that I'm going to be doing for that. So that's pretty much it for the week so far. But I'm really excited that I got all my videos done this week. And coming up, I have some Dollar Tree projects that I'm working on right now, so I hope to have those out to you at some point in time. But I'm really excited about the Dollar Tree haul tomorrow, and I hope you will be too. So I hope you will join me this week for my videos. It's just like that big sigh of relief when you have everything done for the week and you can either sit back and work on next week, which is probably what I'm going to do a little bit because I am working on some projects. And but I don't have to worry about getting videos done this week. Well, except for my morning devotionals, because you guys know I don't like pre-recording my morning devotionals because some of you have prayer requests and things that you like me to pray about, and I always want to make sure that I can always get those from you guys. So we are recovered from our water situation. We have water, it's drinkable now. Not that I really drink a lot of tap water anyway, because it's city water and it's just kind of nasty. You can tell it's got all those chemicals and stuff in it. But at least you can take a bath now in it. yeah, so that's pretty much all my whole week. We just, I was just busy crafting for Saturday, church on Sunday, lunch with my brother and his family after church, and it was really nice. So now I have catching up to do on video watching. And for all of you who watch my videos and you do videos, I do watch your videos and I'm trying my best to catch up. I'm a little bit behind on my video watching, but I will get caught up eventually. And, but I'm really excited for next week as well, because next week I have some really fun videos for you. And I have a fall DIY I want to get done before it's not fall anymore. But it can also be used like for Thanksgiving and stuff too, so yeah. Okay, well, I know this is a really short Monday morning coffee. Monday. Whew, boy, I needed that sip. It's a really short Monday morning coffee with you guys this morning. But I pretty much have everything done. And so today I'm going to be working in my craft room a little bit and in the living room so it doesn't look like a craft room, you know. So I'm going to be doing that and working on some other projects. But it's been real fun this weekend actually crafting. That's my happy place. You guys know I love to craft and I love to do, and I don't like feeling rushed about it. It was just so wonderful to sit down and just craft. And without any worries about it, just craft. And that's pretty much what I did. And so it was fun this week. So I hope you all have an exciting week up ahead. I hope you do lots of crafting. And please stay tuned and come back and see the videos as they come up. Once again, I'll have, well, my video's out. I'll have my daily devotion tomorrow. And then after that, I'll have a Dollar Tree haul. On Wednesday, I'll have my daily devotion Wednesday morning. And I'll have my little intro video out for my series. And then Thursday, I will have episode 1 of my Fall Grateful Journal series. And then Thursday night for Thursday Night Live at 7:15, we will do maybe a spread or two in that. And then on Friday, whatever, if I have a video, I may not even have a video except for my daily devotion. So that's the week, and I hope you will join me. All right, guys, have a wonderful week. If this is your first time seeing this chaotic mayhem that I do every Monday morning, thank you for joining me. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so by clicking that little subscribe button down there. And don't forget to tap the bell when it pops up so you can be notified whenever you want to be notified, always or sometimes. All right, guys, have a wonderful day, and I will see you all tomorrow morning with our daily devotion and a Dollar Tree haul. Bye.